Hello everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my channel. So I hope you guys are really doing well, and in today's video I am going to tell you about the basics of straddlers, means how we use straddlers in different ways. As in my previous video I already told you about how we can use straddlers while the detailing of illustrations. But in this video I am going to tell you about how we can use straddlers pencil in different ways, as in watercolors or as in pencil shades. So here is the set of straddlers. I am having 48 colors. This is the full pack of straddlers. You can have the small pack also, which contains 24 colors. I am having 24 shades also, and I am having 48 colors also. As you can see, there are plenty of shades in this. So today we're gonna learn how we're gonna use the straddlers in different ways. So guys, let's start it. I am taking a plain piece of paper on which I am going to show you the demo how we can use the straddlers and how it can regain just different shades. I am just doing two shades with same color, as one is dark and one is light. Now I am going to use the watercolor brush of 0 size just to show you that how it can be used as watercolor, and we should always take a tissue paper to remove excessive water from the brush. As you can see, I have just blended the brush over the color, and now you can see it is giving the shade the effect of watercolor. This is how the straddlers can be used, one-sided. And the second one we can use brush directly through the point of the pencil, and then we can use it on the paper. As you can see, we can give the dark shade also and we can give the light shade also. So the straddlers are also used as watercolor. Now here I have just made the two figures. One is as a hairstyle, second one is the body. So for hairstyles I am using the black pencil color. In this I am going to show you that we can use these pencils as a normal pencil color also, in which first of all I am just doing the dark lines of the hairstyles. After that I will be just blending this color in the whole portion of hairstyles. We should always take care of the pressure of our hand and the direction. The pressure and the direction of our hand really matters a lot. Now we are coloring the hairstyle with the normal black straddler pencil, and just after it I will use the white straddler pencil. As I already told you in my previous videos that white pencil is used for blending. So I am gonna blend this black color thoroughly so that no patches will be there. Now you can see this hairstyle color seems more darker than before and without any patches. So by this method we can use the straddler pencils in normal way. And after this we can give the final touch up, as we always give in our illustrations also. And for the fine detailing illustrations you can just go to my previous video and you can watch them. Now for coloring this dummy portion I am gonna use the skin colors. In this I am going to use the basic color, and I will be use it like a pencil shade only, and I will blend it thoroughly with the light hands. We will not use more pressure while we coloring the basic shades. As you can see, I am coloring it with a very light hand. And just after coloring it I will be using the watercolor brush, and I will be just blending this brush all over it so that it can give that watercolor look which actually straddlers are used for. As you can see, the color of the pencil straddler is blending thoroughly. After this watercolor we have to wait until it dry, or else we can use a tissue paper over it to just remove the excessive water. First of all we're gonna do the brush blending with very properly, and we should always put the extra paper under our sheets so that it can absorb the excessive water. Now I am just removing the excessive water from it. So guys, as you can see, after drying it is giving the good look, and now I am just using the dark shade of the skin color that is the little light yellow color. So, and I am just doing the outlines. After it you will get to know that what are the detailings we can do with the brush. Here I am making some collarbones which will give the more realistic look and the 3D look of the basic illustrations. Now we're gonna use the brush again just to blend all the corners which I have just colored with Staedtler pencils. Again, using the tissue paper, the water, I am just blending the dark color, and you can see that it can just appear like a shadow 3D illustrations. Just the collarbones and then the hands. If you want to see the more detailing of Staedtler's blending, you can just move to my previous video in which I have already made about the detailing of illustrations. Here I am using the second method of using illustrations, that is taking the color direct from the pencil. Staedtlers can be used by just 2 to 3 different ways, all that I just showed in this video, and the more detailing of the illustration and the blending of the pencils I have shown in my previous videos. So guys, it's almost done. I hope you have liked this video and this will be very useful and helpful to you in the future. So if you have liked this video, just press on thumbs up, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.